Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to use conditional formatting greater than in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. For example, in one column we have cities, and in the second the population of these cities. Our task is to highlight in color those cities with a population of more than 2 million. Hold down the left mouse button and select the column with the number of the population. In order for everything to work, all cells must have data of the same type. If we work with percentages, then in all cells there are percentages. If with numbers, in all cells there are numbers. Continue, select conditional formatting, then highlight cells rules and select greater than. In the window that opens, specify the cell with 2 million, and from the list on the right you can select the type of field from the presented ones or select something of your own by clicking the custom format. And in this window you can choose the font color, border color or cell fill. Click OK, and as you can see all values greater than 2 million are highlighted. Moreover, if you change the value in the cell, then all changes will also be reflected in color on the column with the population. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.